Good afternoon, students. Now today I am going to start the new chapter. The name of this chapter is Measurement of National Income. This is the third chapter. So before starting this chapter, I have written in here few formulas, 1, 2 and 3. These three formulas are very important formulas, so you have to write in your copy. Now one by one I am explaining the formula. This formula needed for calculation of national income. So first you write in your copy this formula. What is the formula? First, number 1, this is very important. I have written here gross product and net product. So here I have made two parts, gross product and net product. So how gross product converted to net product? You see that gross product converted to net product. How? From gross product to net product we have minus the depreciation. So previous class I told you what is depreciation. So when depreciation subtracted from gross product we get net product. So arrow is given here. Now next, when from net product to gross product we add depreciation. In this way gross to net we convert the situation, plus depreciation and minus depreciation. So gross to net minus dep, net to gross plus dep. This is the first formula you have to keep in your mind. Now next formula is very important, domestic income and national income. Here I have written domestic income and national income. What is domestic income? In previous class I told that domestic income refers to the total income received in our domestic territory within 1 year, and national income when we add net factor income from abroad to domestic income, then we get national income. So in such a way national income is made. So here I have written from domestic income to national income we have to add net factor income from abroad, NFIA, net factor income from abroad added to domestic income, then we get national income. From national income to domestic income we subtracted net factor income from abroad. So in such a way we convert domestic to national, national to domestic. This is very important for calculation of measurement of national income. That's why I told you how to convert this the situation. So now third formula, market price and factor cost. Market price and factor cost. So from market price to factor cost we subtracted net indirect tax. You know what is the meaning of net. Previous class I told the formula and also definition. Now next, when factor cost to market price we add net, net. So now I am going to explain what is market price. What is market price? So first you write this formula in your copy. This is very important, and if you keep in your mind, then it will be easier for you to calculate the measurement of national income. Now next I am going to explain market price. Here I am writing here market price MP, in short form MP. How market price is calculated? Factor cost, FC, in short form FC, plus net, NIT, net indirect tax. So factor cost plus net, with the help of these two terms we can calculate market price. As for example, it will be easier that I have a pen. Here I have a pen. You see that pen. Now the price of this pen, suppose the price of this pen is rupees 10. So market price is 10. cost means the payment of the factor, because we know that for making anything we need labor, land, so these are the factors needed for production of anything. So for making pen we need labor, so the wages of the labor, assume that rupees 6, and net indirect tax. So net indirect tax, how net indirect tax is calculated? Previous class I told you that need calculate IT minus subsidy. Previous class I told you need calculated IT minus subsidy. So need, here we add rupees 4. So the total cost will be 10 rupees. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So for making one pen, the cost of one pen is rupees 10. So the market price will be rupees 10. Otherwise it will be loss. If the producer fixes the price of rupees 8, then 2 will be the rupees 2 will be the loss. So this is the market price. One pen means the average cost. So average cost of one pen is rupees 10. So the market price also rupees 10. So market price, how market price calculated? Market price calculated when factor cost is added to need. So factor cost is rupees 6 and need rupees 4. So the market price is rupees 10. In this way market price calculated. Now if we want to calculate factor cost, so we can write market price minus need. If we want to calculate need, then market price minus factor cost. So if you know market price, then you can easily calculate factor cost and need. So size of market price is large and factor cost is smaller portion of the market price. So you have to keep in mind. So in third formula I have written MP to FC. So MP to FC minus need and FC to MP plus need. This is the formula. So clear what is market price, what is factor cost. Factor cost means the factor payment and need means IT minus subsidies. So this is the basic thing we need to calculate the measurement of national income. So now next I am going to write the different types of terms that can be used in this chapter. So you write in your copy. This is very important chapter, so you have to keep in mind every terms is very important term. So you write one by one. So now I am going to write the different types of terms. Number 1, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product at market price. In short form, GDP MP. In short form, GDP MP. Number 2, net domestic product at market price. NDP MP in short form. Number 2. Number 3, gross national product at market price, GNP MP. Number 4, net national product at market price, NNP MP. Gross domestic product at market price, GDP MP, market price. Net domestic product at market price. Gross national product at market price. Now national product at market price, net national product at market price. So here domestic word is used. Number 1, you have seen that gross domestic product at market price. Domestic means domestic territory. So domestic product at market price means it refers to the total income, market value of the total income achieved during 1 year in our country. This is gross domestic product at market price. Market value of all the final goods and services produced in our country in a 1 year. This is GDP MP, gross domestic product at market price. Now next term is net domestic product at market price. So here domestic word is used. You have to keep in mind, domestic word is used. Gross to net, we know the formula, gross to net. So you have to subtract the depreciation, then you get net. So domestic word is used, and market price, market value of all the final goods and services produced in our country in a year. So this is the things. Number 1, number 2 terms clear. Number 3rd terms, you have seen that gross national product. Gross means total. Yeah, aggregate. So gross is total or aggregate. So national, not domestic. Here is written domestic, but here national product at market price. Market price means market value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal residents. So that's why it is known as national. Normal residents, by normal residents produced these goods, and the market value of these goods in a year is called the gross national product at market price. So GNP MP, net national product at market price, net national. So national word is used and market price also used. So now up to this, the next day I will continue the rest portion. 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Next 5, 6, 7, 8 I will continue. Then I will start the numerical of this chapter. Thank you.